Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can switch to professional account on your Instagram. Well, it's very easy. First of all, open your Instagram, make sure that you are logged into your account. And from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on your profile icon right here. And then in here, you can simply tap on edit profile. After doing that, here you can get the option of switch to professional account. Simply tap on that option and then tap on next. After doing that, here you'll have to select the category of what your account describes. So if you are an artist, you can select that. If you are a blogger, musician, you can select that. For now, I'm going to select digital creator. And then if you want it to be displayed on your profile, you'll have to enable this toggle button like this, or else you can disable it and not show it on your profile. And all you have to do is tap on switch to professional account just like this. Here you can see you'll have to now select if you are a creator or business. I'm going to select creator. You can select business if you are opening your business account and then tap on next. Then all you have to do is tap on OK. And in here, if you want promotional emails, you can turn on the toggle button or else simply turn it off and then tap on next and then tap on continue. And after doing that, here you can see we have successfully converted our Instagram into a professional account. Here you can see these are the setups for your professional account. So all you need to do is complete your profile, get verified, grow your audience in order to be a proper professional Instagram user. And if you simply cross this one, here you can see we have now gotten our professional dashboard, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.